Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted another S-Series Solaris on a brand new 74 plate Ford Ranger using the existing remote control. So when you leave the vehicle, we've done silent arm, we'll lock it. The system arm there is will fold, that's not us, that's actually characteristic of the vehicle. And obviously in the top corner here, hopefully the original alarm won't trigger, there it is flashing away, okay? So if we apply a force, if we lift it, move it, the alarm will go off and obviously it will call you. So we're going to wait for it to set. Or should I say, let's just disarm it first and I'm going to show you how we've immobilised it. So I've disarmed it, we've got the Bluetooth phone out of range, we've jumped in the vehicle. If you watch carefully, we're going to try and start it. We'll be able to start it. It starts, vehicle's running, but we just can't put it into gear. It just won't go into gear, okay? So now what we do is we insert the code, which we're going to change after the video. So 1, 2, 3. Up here we get a double flash. There's our double flash. And we're able to select a gear and drive away. Okay? Really simple and really straightforward. What we're going to do now is we're going to actually lift the window up and we're going to watch it go mad. Okay? So I'm going to lift the window up. Okay? We're going to turn it off. We're going to jump out. And we're going to set it. So let's just set it now. Just lock it. We'll wait for it to set. And then we're going to apply a force. So now it should be set now. Let's try and apply a force. If you can see into the app, it's obviously armed. It's set now. So let's see if we can apply a force. There you go. There it goes. It's going mad now. Watch carefully. Indicators are flashing. It's going mad. It's calling him. It's under attack. Okay. Let's just disarm it. We've killed the call, but obviously would have taken the call. It's gone straight through to answer phone. But if we would have taken the call, it would have told us what's caused the trigger. Okay. Also, if we jump in the truck and we have Bluetooth on, as soon as we just unlock it, so if we lock it, it's armed. It's in immobiliser mode. We just unlock it now. It's now disarmed. All we do is just jump in the vehicle with the phone, with the customer. Customer going to give me the phone. And now the phone's within the vehicle. Now within the vehicle, just here. Let's just start it. If Bluetooth is on, we just drive away. Okay? Really simple to use. You don't have to use a push sequence. Also, I'm going to show you now that obviously if you want to place it in valet mode, this is also very simple. If you see we have the vehicle running, it's obviously giving us feedback, door open, engine running, ignition on. Now we're going to place it in valet mode, so hold it till the line goes across the top. Watch carefully, we're going to get some feedback. It's now gone into valet mode. There you go. So now we can take it for a service, or if we want to remote start it, we can remote start it. Really simple and straightforward. When we get the vehicle back, jump in the vehicle within Bluetooth range, or you can do here obviously by GSM. Just hold it till the line goes across the top. Now it's come out of valet mode. Really simple and straightforward to use. It's got loads of other features, but basically what it is, it's call alert, it's got tilt motion shock, it's got gearbox lock, works off the existing remote control. As I said, this is the S9 Solaris edition. My name's Otto, 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you for watching, bye bye.